We are explore how to explore creative LUT combinations. Open your image and add a color lookup adjustment layer from the Adjustments panel. Select any preset so the effect is clearly visible. Now, duplicate this LUT layer and choose a different preset for the copy. Instantly, you'll see how layered LUTs interact. Lower opacity of each layer until they blend smoothly together. Try switching blending modes like color or soft light to see how tones shift. Toggle each layer on and off to understand its individual impact. This comparison helps you learn how combinations influence mood and depth. Zoom in to check textures and ensure detail remains sharp.